Hey, welcome back to the channel. So just a quick update. I know I haven't been posting as often lately, and I apologize. We've been busy working on the turf in the yard, so definitely go check out that video. It'll be linked down below, and we'll just kind of go around here and let you know what's going on. So we have been doing a few things around here. Right now the OBS Chevy is actually in the shop getting the clutch installed. Not having a lift here, it is a lowered vehicle, so it is just a little bit more challenging. I don't quite have enough jack stands to get it high enough to do it ourselves, so went ahead and took that down to my buddies at Big O, and they're going to take care of that for me. Of course, everybody's favorite, I haven't forgot about it. We still have big plans for the OBS Power Stroke here. I do have a new turbo for that, and the H-pop lines, irate diesel fuel system to install on that. Just haven't had the time lately to get to that, so it is coming, I promise. And as everybody knows, you know, we did start the work on the old Bronco here. Right now we are in the process of getting body parts in for it and body panels. We do have it all tore down. We haven't started really prepping the metal yet. We're going to get all that in upcoming videos, and we'll get back to work on that pretty soon also. Wandering around here, and we've still got the OBS Ford Gasser, and of course the Mustang. Definitely my favorite one to drive, very fun. And we've got the old tow pig out there. You might notice got some new wheels and tires on it. We did go with a 1810 with a 35 1250. I did go with the blue anodized spike lug nuts on that. So it definitely did give the Cummins a whole new look. I think it turned out really nice. So those of you that follow me on Instagram, you probably already are aware that I've built a fish tank room. So step inside here and close this door, fix the light. It's a little bit better. So as you can see, we got a 240, got some koi in there. We actually did a build your own filter system. Got the 95 with some Oscars in it, a few albinos and a tiger. We've got this 300 gallon. Right now it's just set up, waiting fish. Eventually I'd like to get maybe some arowanas, clown knives, red-tail catfish, things like that. And then we've got the 80 gallon set up there. So that's the fish tank room. As I said before, if you follow my Instagram, I post pics on that. So, well, there you go, a little update on what's going on. As always, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content. Once again, thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.